Hey guys, Jesse and Eric here with Foundation Training. We're going to talk to you a little bit about decompressing the spine.
Here at Foundation Training, we like to make decompression just a little bit more active. So some of the stuff we're going to teach you in this next little video here is going to show you how to align and decompress on your own. Active decompression, the way that I talk about it with Foundation Training, is not the pinpoint isolation of your L4, L5 disc herniation. We're not going to teach you to pull that material back towards center somehow. That's not what I'm talking about with active decompression. What I mean is we're going to teach you to take the surface area of your torso and expand upon it. We're going to teach you to take your weight, your mass, the amount of gravity you're fighting and taking up, and we're going to stop the focal points of pressure that cause you pain from existing beyond their healthy ranges. We're going to teach you to disperse the force of your torso powerfully. It comes through breathing, and Jesse here is going to teach you a couple poses to help you.
All right guys, you can watch this first one, rewind the video, do it yourself if you'd like. We're going to start by setting Eric up in about a hip width to shoulder width distance between his legs. He's going to bring that subtle degree of internal rotation in. We're going to apply an isometric. He's going to go into what we call anchoring. He finds those 3 points of contact on both feet. He roots through them. He connects everything. He's working to isometric contract everything that's attaching those femurs up to his pelvis. He'll float his hands out to his sphere of tension, height of the heart. He's going to close the kinetic chain, maintain that connection here. Notice he's got a little bit of external rotation in the elbows. He's lengthened up through the neck. Now he's going to focus on his breath, expanding the rib cage uniformly, posterior, lateral, anterior rib cage uniformly expands and elevates. On the exhale, think about wrapping and pulling that transverse abdominis. And this is the work, maintaining the connection from the feet to the fingertips to the crown of the head while you use that breath with every inhalation to expand and elevate, every exhalation to maintain the space that you're creating on the inhale to the best of your ability. If you're doing it right, it becomes a very active process. I'm gonna have Eric take one more nice big breath. All of his intent is lengthening up and through, keeping the fingers, keeping the feet rooted, teaching his body how to work and connect as one efficient system, letting it remember where it's supposed to be, how it's supposed to carry itself in space.
Focal points of tension give you a lot of pain very often. Don't collapse into yourself. Don't breathe so shallow. Learn the mechanisms, the mechanical mechanisms of breathing powerfully, of taking tension off of the focal points of your spine and dispersing them throughout the muscle chains of your body. That's what Foundation Training is. Go to stream.foundationtraining.com if you have no idea what we're talking about and would like to learn a lot more.
Know your body better than you know your phone.
Know your phone better than you know his body.